All right, let's do the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Today is May 10th, 2024. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Let's take a look at some charts. Take a look at SPY. On the daily chart, what do we have today? Move this out of the way. We got a higher low and a higher high closing over the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. Where we left off, we have still got a 2-hour uptrend. All right, on the 10-minute, we have a 10-minute downtrend put in at the last second there. All right, and let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ daily chart is higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. IWM, same thing. Higher low, higher high, closing inside the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. Diamond Dow, higher high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. FNGU is an outside day with higher volatility, higher high, lower low, closing inside the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. All right, let's take a look at our technicals. All right, so we made it into the overbought zone, and then the bears threw us out, and then we just chomped around inside the buy zone. All right, for T2123. Gapped up, started out green, ended the day green. T2123 3-bar. Got some space between our 17 EMA and the 200 SMA. Okay. And nice work there. 3 more green balls there. So kind of heading its way back up to prior highs and the all-time highs. That's a good sign. All right. So let's take a look at FNGU. Gapped up and then just sold off and could never make it over VWAP for the rest of the day. Good news, still stayed over the 200 SMA. All right, so let's take a look at oil and gas. Let's take a look at USO. USO in a downtrend puts in a higher low and a lower high, closing under the bearish trap under the 17 EMA. USO still in a downtrend. UNG having an inside day, lower high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. Still in an uptrend. SLV in an uptrend puts in higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. GLD probably did the same thing. GLD, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. There's for gold. Let's take a look at XLF. XLF, higher high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap. It's in an uptrend. Okay, so gold and silver in uptrends. UNG in uptrends. All of the Fab 5 in uptrends. XLF in uptrends. IYT, higher low, higher high, closing. Where was the close today? The high is 66.80. What's this high? The high is 66.75. Got a higher low and puts in a higher high, making IYT showing an inverse head and shoulders. All right, with a higher low, a higher high. Now in an uptrend on IYT. All right, so financials in an uptrend. All of the Fab 5 in uptrends. Transports now in an uptrend. USO, oil in an uptrend. We've got precious metals, silver and gold in uptrends. Let's take a look at SMH. SMH, higher low, higher high, still in an uptrend. Today's price action, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. There's SMH in an uptrend. Let's take a look at XLK. Higher low, higher high, still in an uptrend. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA, up over the all-time high anchored VWAP. Not just closing a candle up there, but printing a whole candle. Not the right candle though. It's got more wick than it does tail and body. All right, there's XLK. Let's take a look at XLI. XLI, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. XLI, still in an uptrend. Got higher lows here and higher highs there. All right, I think that's it. Let's take a look at the dollar. What did the dollar do today? Max Payne, they didn't even go after it. Dollar putting in a lower high and a lower low, closing right around the 105.30 area. All right, so nothing really to brag about, but you know, if we look at this, it's still in an uptrend. Dollar's still in an uptrend, so we'll see what happens there. All right, traders, that's it for me for today. Everybody, thank you out there in YouTube land, Rumble land. Hope you all had a good day. I did. All right, everybody have a great weekend. You too, Ed. And we'll see y'all Monday, 8 o'clock in the morning. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you. Thank you for being here today. All right, so have a wonderful afternoon.
Order working.